Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you all the awesome benefits and features of using the PayPal debit card. We'll be walking through the PayPal app in real time so we can follow along step by step on both iPhone and Android. Let's get started. First, open the PayPal app on your phone. Whether you've received payments, transferred money from your bank or added funds, your PayPal balance is visible at the top. If you ever forget your physical debit card, no worries. Just tap the small eye icon on your virtual card in the app, and you'll instantly see your card details like the 16-digit number, expiration date and CVV. You can even copy this info directly if you need it for online shopping. Another fantastic feature is that you can use your PayPal debit card in Apple Wallet. Simply add it in the Apple Wallet app, and you can pay using Apple Pay. Wherever it's accepted, no physical card required. The physical card also comes with the tap to pay functionality. Just tap the card at any supported terminal to pay instantly. Now let's talk about some of the awesome benefits of using the PayPal debit card. Ordering the card is completely free with no hidden fees. Whether in person or online, the PayPal debit card is versatile. You can use it physically or virtually, or simply rely on Apple Pay for added convenience. You can earn cashback rewards at selected retailers like PetSmart 1% or Rite Aid 4%. Check the app for available rewards. And don't forget to check the View Additional Rewards section in the app to see more deals and offers you can take advantage of. If you forget your card, just use the PayPal app or Apple Wallet to view your card information. You'll never be stuck without access to your funds. One of the best features is that you can log the card directly in the app. It's especially useful if you lose the card or suspect fraud. Just tap Manage to unlock your card, it's that simple. Need to change your PIN? No need to call customer service, just update it directly in the app. Also, you can adjust your daily spending limits by contacting PayPal support. Here are some additional tools and features that make the PayPal debit card a must-have. You can add cash to your PayPal account at locations like CVS. Be mindful of small service fees though. You can find nearby ATMs in the app if you need to withdraw cash. You can set up direct deposits and use your PayPal account as your primary bank account, which is great for receiving paychecks. Always keep an eye on your balance before making purchases. It's quick and easy to check in the app. Be sure to regularly check the rewards section in the app, as new cashback offers are frequently added. Use the lock card feature anytime you're unsure about the safety of your card. You can instantly unlock it later if needed. For regular online shoppers, the PayPal debit card offers a perfect balance between convenience and security. Use it for purchases without sharing sensitive bank information.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.